Welcome back to English Learning Easy. Today, we're learning 10 supernatural English phrases that native speakers use every single day.
These phrases will help you sound more confident, more fluent, and more natural, just like a real English speaker. And don't worry, I'll give you the meaning, real-life examples, and short dialogues for each phrase.
So stay with me till the end, because phrase number 10 is something native speakers use all the time, but English learners almost never say it. Let's get started. We use sounds good to agree with someone's idea or plan. It's friendly, natural, and extremely common.
Let's meet at 7.
Sounds good.
Want to grab coffee later?
Sounds good.
Use this instead of okay to sound more natural.
This phrase means you don't know something, but in a polite and relaxed way.
I'm not sure where she is.
Do you think it will rain today?
I'm not sure.
Native speakers use this dozens of times a day.
We use this when we need a moment to look for information on our phone, computer, or in our mind.
Let me check my schedule.
Let me check my phone.
Is the restaurant open now?
Let me check.
Simple, natural, very useful. We use this when we understand something or agree with someone's explanation.
Oh, you were late because of traffic. That makes sense.
The bus was delayed because of an accident.
Ah, that makes sense.
This phrase instantly makes your English sound more natural.
Native speakers use this when they need time to think before giving an answer.
I'm not sure yet, but I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you tomorrow.
Can you join the meeting on Friday?
I'll get back to you.
Professional, friendly, natural.
This means it's okay, or don't worry about it. Very friendly, very common.
Sorry I'm late.
No worries.
I forgot to call you.
No worries.
Thanks for waiting.
No worries. Use this instead of it's okay to sound like a native speaker.
This is a polite and mature way to say thank you.
Thanks for your help.
I really appreciate it.
I appreciate your time.
I finished the report for you.
Awesome, I appreciate it.
This phrase makes you sound polite and professional. This means you don't know the solution right now, but you will find it. For example,
I don't know how to fix this, but I'll figure it out.
don't worry, I'll figure it out.
Do you know how this app works?
Not really, but I'll figure it out.
This is confidence in natural English.
We use this when the answer changes based on this situation.
Do you work on weekends?
It depends.
When will you be free?
It depends. Maybe after 6.
Do you want to go out tonight?
It depends. I might be busy.
Native speakers love this phrase.
This means something is normal for you now.
At first, waking up early was hard, but now I'm used to it.
I'm used to the cold.
Isn't the traffic crazy here?
Yeah, but I'm used to it now.
This phrase makes you sound advanced and natural.
Great job! Now you know 10 phrases that native English speakers use every single day. Practice them, use them in conversations, and very quickly, you will sound much more fluent and confident.
If you enjoyed this lesson, hit the like button, subscribe to English Learning Easy, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video.
Tell me in the comments, which phrase was new for you today? I'd love to read your answers.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.